Hey, to connect Sennheiser Accentum Wireless with two devices, all you have to do is just to first connect these headphones into your first smartphone, and for sure you will have to actually get the Sennheiser Smart Control application. If you are not sure how to do this properly, you can actually find tutorials on my channel. Next, when you are connected, just keep this connection with this current smartphone, so just be connected by the Bluetooth. And now, on this second smartphone, you will have to actually go into the settings. You will have to actually open the Bluetooth settings. So in my case, it's under the connected devices. I have to click on the pair new device. And now we have to enter for the pairing mode on the Sennheiser Accentum Wireless. So first we have to click and hold this button to power off our device. Now release. And do this one more time, until this indicator starts blinking red and white. If it doesn't work, just release and do this one more time. Now keep holding. As you can see now, it is blinking white and the red. So from this, we have to grab our headphones and connect them with this second smartphone in the Bluetooth settings. Then accept the pairing, and right now, when you are connected, you can just disconnect them from this phone. Remember to disconnect, don't forget. And you can go here and connect with this smartphone. As you can see, in my case, it's already works, so I don't even have to disconnect them. But if you have this issue that for some reason they don't want to connect to your first smartphone, just disconnect them from this phone, select them right here in the Bluetooth settings, for example. And then if you want to switch between the devices, you can just click here. And as you can see now, after a few moments, I'm connected also into my Pixel smartphone. So that's how we can do this. If you want to remove other devices from this list, you can for sure do this by selecting delete and clicking on this icon. And then you can click done. And as you can see, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.